Picture this, you're on the job, hustling to get cables, pipes, and ducts in place, and you need a solution that's easy to work with, quick to install, strong, and reliable. That's where the DeWalt TOUGHWIRE Cable Hanger System comes in. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the TOUGHWIRE Cable Hanger System, the ultimate solution for anyone hanging HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or sheet metal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this system is about to make your job easier, faster, and way more efficient. One of the standout features of TOUGHWIRE is its worker-friendly design, especially for those wearing gloves, a feature that's hard to imagine not being useful on any job site. The system's larger, more protruded pins on the assemblies are designed for a better grip so you can make adjustments quickly and easily, even with thicker, high-cut rated gloves on. Less fumbling, more working. With over 50 components, the TOUGHWIRE system offers unbeatable versatility, helping you create suspension solutions that go up faster than traditional methods and require far less bulky material. From wire attachments to locking devices, everything's designed to work seamlessly together to make your job go smoother. Let's start with the loop end wire attachment. This piece is perfect for anchoring to beams or purlins. Simply loop the wire around, create a choke knot, and boom, you've got a solid suspension point. It's fast, easy, and you can do it all without breaking a sweat. Next up, the ToughLock wire locking devices. These are tool-free and incredibly quick to set up. The best part? The raised grips make them easy to adjust. Whether you're working with tie wire for HVAC or plumbing, the ToughLock devices make it a breeze to suspend just about anything. Everything clicks together seamlessly, saving you valuable time. And when it comes to hanging strut, the square lock and strut lock devices are a game changer. These heavy-duty locking devices are designed for trapeze supports and strut or channel profiles. Like everything in the TOUGHWIRE system, they're tool-free and easy to adjust, providing a secure lock every time. To round it out, there's the threaded stud assembly. This lets you pair TOUGHWIRE with DeWalt's anchors and fasteners, making it perfect for use with steel rods or other internally threaded hardware. Whatever the application, TOUGHWIRE delivers the right suspension every time. Now, a question we get asked a lot: is the DeWalt TOUGHWIRE system a replacement for traditional strut? The answer is no. It's not designed to replace strut itself, but to work with it. You can definitely hang strut from cable in certain applications, and there are many situations where you may reduce your strut needs. The TOUGHWIRE system is primarily a replacement for threaded rod, making your setup faster and easier. One feature that improves efficiency across the board is the color-coded labeling. Each wire size and component pairing has its own color, making it easy to identify the right parts for your job. No more guessing which components go together, everything is clearly marked. Contractors can instantly see they have the right parts for a smooth installation. Whether you're a pro working on a large commercial job site or tackling the next repair project, the TOUGHWIRE Cable Hanger System is about to make your installations faster, safer, and more efficient. TOUGHWIRE is available for pre-sale now at Ohio Power Tool. Be sure to check out our blog for further information in the description below. For more videos like this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay tough and keep building with OPT.
Did you like that video? Would you like more?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you.
My bad.
If you liked the video and would like more, make sure you like and subscribe this one and slap that notification bell.
And if you have any questions, just give us a call or email us. We even have fax if you're into that.
And if you're still doom scrolling, make sure you check out one of these videos here.
Thanks for watching.